everybody, my name is Alice Ohlson. I'm an associate professor here at the Division of Particle and Nuclear Physics in the Department of Physics at Lund University. So in addition to my research, I also teach here at the department. I teach the bachelor's and master's level courses in particle physics. And in addition, I also supervise PhD projects, master's projects, and bachelor's theses in the department. So let me give you a brief introduction as to the basic structure of the physics education here in Lund. So in the first year, you will be taking mainly the basic courses that give you a solid grounding in the fundamentals of physics, such as classical mechanics, electromagnetism, and a broad overview of modern physics. You will also be taking basic math courses that prepare you and give you the tools that are necessary for your future studies. In the second year, you get to dive more into certain topics in modern physics, such as solid-state physics, atomic physics, particle physics, and nuclear physics. And this allows you to get really into what is being done here and now in modern physics research around the world. Then, in the third year, you get to follow your interests and take some elective courses that might be in one of the specializations of our department, such as astronomy or theoretical physics, but also allow you to pursue your own interests in the field. And then the final semester, you will be doing a bachelor's thesis, where you actually get to work with one of the researchers in our department on a topic in their field. And here I think it's particularly exciting because you get to work on an open question and learn something new and actually make your own contribution to our understanding of physics. And since science is an international field, most of the education here is done in English, but the first year of studies can be done either in Swedish or in English. It's really important for us that the students get a flavor for current ongoing research and really the groundbreaking ideas in physics. And it's really important for us that our teachers of the courses and our supervisors of the projects are active researchers themselves at the forefront of the field. So, for example, Anne L'Huillier, who just won the Nobel Prize in physics, was actually giving a lecture in the lecture hall behind me when she received that phone call. So now I want to move on to a little bit more about what you will do as a student and as you are pursuing your education in this course. So most of the courses consist of lectures, seminars. You will be doing lab work, solving problems, and as well independent projects. Even from the very first semester, you'll be working in the lab, getting hands-on experience and understanding how we use experimental physics to both confirm our understanding of physical laws, but also to make new discoveries. And you will be studying this course because it really gives you a broad overview and a broad understanding and collection of skills that you can use in the future to pursue your future career. So it will give you a broad education in everything from understanding the fundamental constituents and laws of nature to learning about new applications and new technologies in the fields of, for example, materials science or quantum information. Here in Lund, we really benefit from the presence of two world-leading laboratories that we collaborate with. The MAX4 synchrotron light source is just down the road, and they are an active international laboratory. And currently being built is the European spallation source, which will come online in the near future and contribute to our understanding of materials science and neutron science, etc. We also have strong international collaborations with others. For example, I mentioned I work at CERN, and I work as part of an international collaboration of more than 2,000 people at the largest particle accelerator in the world, the Large Hadron Collider. So I think this education here in Lund in the physics department is particularly important because it gives you a broad set of skills. It also gives you or allows you to develop your analytical thinking, your problem-solving skills, as well as practical technical skills such as computer programming that will serve you well in the future. Students in our department go on to study and their master's theses in physics very often, which allows them to take more advanced courses and then do a more in-depth master's thesis. But students from our department also go on and work in a wide variety of technical fields. So you could end up working for a tech startup or in research and development for a government agency, so anything in between those. And you will be well prepared in your future to pursue careers anywhere from software engineering to material science research to working in the finance industry or looking at environmental technologies after your education here in the physics department at Lund. So we look forward to very much to seeing you here in the physics department at Lund.